We can also create portfolios from scratch using our blank portfolio option here, but we'll have a AI statement extractment tool that allows you to quickly pull in that information without having to do any bit of manual work. So when I grab this client portfolio here, we'll see our different inputs that we'll have customizations over. So being able to name the portfolio. So if I just call this prospect portfolio, we can always adjust things like the tax status, an advisory fee, if that applies, the benchmark being used. But the meat and potatoes here is going to be to upload the portfolio items below. I can do, a search here for the ticker symbol and enter in the weight or the dollar value, whatever that would be. But we can also use the upload data option here to enter in an Excel file, a PDF, a screen grab, however that information is being sent over, we can then ingest into the system here. I have an example here of a Schwab brokerage statement, can see particular holdings, allocations, um, cost basis information. I can then just simply go over to my files within that client statements, select the PDF, and we'll be able to parse through that information. We can even select certain pages for the AI tool to utilize if it's maybe a hefty statement, but holding information is only within page X to X instead. So now that it says our file is in the correct format, I can go ahead here and click update. It'll then give you a error message or a pop-up if you need to adjust any particular holdings, like if this is an old statement, maybe some securities aren't traded anymore. So you'll always be able to have that human intervention here. Once that information is added, we can see it's pulling in the symbol, dollar value, as well as the cost basis per share. I can then save this down in the top right corner. That's going to calculate for us in a moment here. And I'll just jump into a household portfolio I've already created.